When a home is designed and built by the owners, every detail matters, and you can feel it the moment you walk into 313 Hillcrest Drive. Custom built in 2022 in the heart of Southern Shores, this home was thoughtfully designed with exceptional attention to quality, craftsmanship, and layout. Set on a private, oversized lot, the property feels quiet and secluded, yet you are just a short drive or golf cart away from the town of Duck. Inside, the main living area immediately stands out with soaring ceilings, white oak flooring, and a custom wood accent ceiling that adds warmth and character to the space. A wood-burning fireplace anchors the room, and the oversized sliding doors lead to the sunroom, adding over 300 square feet of additional living space and creating a seamless connection to the backyard and pool. The kitchen was designed for both everyday living and entertaining. With custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, dual islands, and high-end appliances including Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Cove, all chosen to create a home that feels both refined and inviting. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a large second living area, a full bath, and a 4th bedroom currently used as the guest suite. The primary suite is located on the main level with vaulted ceilings, his and her walk-in closets, and a beautifully finished bath with custom tile, soaking tub, and walk-in shower. Outside, the backyard was designed to be just as enjoyable as the interior, with a heated saltwater pool, outdoor shower, and multiple seating areas, all surrounded by town-owned land that gives the property an unusual private feel. Living in Southern Shores also means access to the Civic Association amenities, including the boat ramp, sound access, tennis and pickleball courts, playground, and one of the best beach accesses on the Outer Banks. This is a true custom-built home in one of the most desirable communities on the Outer Banks, offering the perfect combination of quality, privacy, and coastal lifestyle. For more information on this gorgeous property, visit my website at anntaylorlusk.com. Thanks for touring this property with me.